Are your YouTube channel views and subscribers low? Then here's the solution. Welcome everyone to today's important video. In this video, I brought you a message that can really help you grow your channel. I'm going to promote your low view, low subscriber YouTube channel completely free, for a lifetime. All you have to do is something very simple. I've placed a WhatsApp channel link in the description below. Just click that link and join the WhatsApp channel. After joining the channel, here's what you need to do. This is how your channel will be promoted. For example, let's say you send me your YouTube channel link. What I'll do is share that link directly in our WhatsApp channel. Then, everyone in the group will click your link and like and subscribe to your video. That's how this works. All of you come together and promote each other's YouTube channels for free. So go ahead and send me your YouTube channel links, and I will definitely promote them. What are you waiting for? Click the link now and join the channel. Alright, I'll see you in another valuable video soon. Have a great day everyone.